Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads customer match. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and after that you have to simply type in Google Ad in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that it will simply take you to this page. Choose the first option from here, and once you choose the first option it will simply take you to this page, and from here you can just simply go to the sign in if you have already an account, and also you can create an account by clicking on the start now. So after you click on the sign in, it will simply take you to this dashboard. Here you can see, you can just simply show it here, and from here what I need to do is look at the tools option from here and just simply click on the tools option. After you click on the tools option, here you will get the option of planning, shared library, content suitability, and other options. We will focus on shared library from here, and after you click on the shared library you will see the audience manager option from here. Just simply click on the audience manager from here. And once you're in the audience manager, you can see this page like this. Then you have to simply click on the plus icon from here, and after you click on the plus icon it will simply show you this kind of list, and you have to simply click on the customer list from here. And once you click on the customer list, it will simply take you to this page. Here you can see the new customer list in the data source, and here you can see you can just simply click on the upload a file manually, and here then you have to click on the continue. And after that, here you can see that the segment name, customer type, and you can also upload the data as you want. So for example, CSV file is mostly recommended because it can read by Google, and after that it will simply read by Google easily. Then here you have to click on the save and continue, and after that you will good to go. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.